Do you know the cheapest method to move cryptocurrency from Binance to a different exchange, such as Mexc or Kucoin? The most cost-effective method is to first transfer your cryptocurrency to XRP before withdrawing it to Mexc, Kucoin, or another exchange. Welcome back to Cyber Learning, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here's a step-by-step process to transfer XRP from Binance to Mexc using the mobile app. Step 1. Open the Binance app on your mobile phone and log into your account. Step 2. Tap on the wallet icon at the bottom of the screen. Step 3. In the wallet section, locate and select XRP from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Step 4. Tap on the withdraw button. Step 5. Enter the XRP withdrawal details. Step 6. Review the withdrawal details to ensure correctness. Step 7. If you haven't enabled two-factor authentication, it is recommended to do so for added security. Step 8. Tap on the Confirm or Submit button to initiate the XRP withdrawal. Step 9. Check your Mexc XRP wallet to verify that the funds have been successfully deposited. And if you don't have a Mexc or Kucoin account, then is there a link in the description, and for special welcome bonus, see the links in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content.